Welcome to the lecture series on economics of capital market. Today we are going to discuss about the primary market, methods, functions and intermediaries. We know that financial markets consist of money market and capital market can be categorized into two segments. They are primary market and secondary market. Here we are going to discuss about the primary market, its structure, methods of issue and its functions and intermediaries functioning in the primary market. Primary markets are mainly used as a means of raising of capital, or it is known as issue of capital or capital issue. Companies and firms raise funds to finance their project through various methods. The funds may be raised through issue of fresh shares. Main objective of capital issues are as follows. We know that capital issues are mainly used for raising of fund, or it is a method of finding resources. Important objectives of the capital issues are, that is, the raising of funds are mainly for the promotion of new company or for the expansion of the existing company, diversification of production to meet regular working capital requirements, install sophisticated technologies, machineries, capitalize the reserves, etc. These are the main objectives of raising of capital or the capital issue methods. And to the primary markets are mainly, or one of the important markets through which the capital issues happens in the firms and companies are the primary market. And the primary market means stocks available for the first. And here market refers to the place where investors buy and sell securities. That we know that it is a market is a place where buyers and sellers meets together, either for investment or for purchase of anything. And this here also it is a primary market. The financial market is a world where new securities are issued to the public. In the primary market, stocks available for the first times are offered through new issue markets, or stock available for first time are offered through the primary market. These primary markets are also known as new issue market. Therefore, the primary market is a market where securities available for the first times are available. And the major objective of primary market is the issue of capital, or it is a means for raising the capital. And who are the issuer of these securities? The issuer may be a new company or an existing company. That is, the new issue can be issued by the, or new securities can be issued by the new firms or by the existing firm also. In the new issue market or in the primary market, the issuing company or the issuer is considered as a manufacturer. The issuing houses, investment bankers and brokers act as a channel of distribution of the new issues. And that is, the manufacturer is the company, they are known as the issuer, and the distribution is done through the issuing houses, investment bankers and the brokers. The process of selling new issues to the investor is called underwriting. When new securities are sold to the investors, it is known as, or the process of selling new issues to the investor is called as underwriting. In the case of a new stock issue, this sale is an initial public offer. We'll see what is the difference between these terms. And the dealer earns a commission reward for his business. The dealer earns a commission. What we have seen is that the capital markets are divided into primary, the money market and capital market. Capital markets are divided into two categories, that is primary market and secondary market. And here these methods are mainly used for the issuing of capital or for raising of the capital, and this raising of the capital is done through the capital issue. That is the method of finding of resources by the firms or the companies. And what is the primary market? Primary market is a market where selling of new securities happens, or stocks available for the first time are available in the primary market. And the issuer of in the primary market may be a new company or an existing company, and the issuer is known as manufacturer, and the manufacturer can be either company, government or public sector institutions. And the distribution channels or the channels of distributions are through the issuing houses, investment bankers and brokers. And the new issue market or the primary market is a market which is characterized by the presence of a set of all institutions, structures, people, procedures, services and practice involved in the raising of fresh capital funds by new and existing companies. This is the simplest definition for a primary market or the new issue market. Or a new issue market or primary market is a market which is characterized by the presence of a set of all institutions, its structure, various peoples, procedures, services, and practices involved in the raising of fresh capital funds by the new and existing companies. Here, the new issue market or primary market is a market, and it is characterized by the presence of institutions, its structure, its people, procedures, services and practice. All these things are done for raising of fresh capital by the new companies or by the existing companies. In the primary market, the securities are purchased directly from an issuer, or we can purchase the securities directly from the issuer in the primary market. Another important point is that the primary market is where securities are created. Here, the issuer itself is the seller, therefore the primary market in the primary market securities are created. It is in this market that firms sells new stocks and bonds to the public for the first time. That is, the first time selling of new stocks and bonds happens in the primary market. Initial public offering or IPO is an example of primary market. The first time selling of securities or bonds happens in the primary market. Therefore, what is a primary market or the new issue market? It's a market which is characterized by the presence of a set of all institutions, structures, peoples, procedures, services and practice involved in raising of fresh capital by new and existing companies. Here, the securities are purchased directly from the issuer, and the primary market is where securities are created and we can purchase directly from the issuer. Now, the features of primary market. Features of primary markets are: it is a market for new long-term equity cap. It is a market where securities are sold for the first time. It is also known as new issue market. In this market, securities are issued directly to the investors. It is used for setting up of new, expanding or modernizing the business. That is, the capital are mainly used for setting up of new or expanding or modernizing the business. It facilitates capital formation. These are the features of a primary market. That is, it's a market for new long-term equity capital. Securities are sold for the first time. It is also known as new issue market. Securities are issued directly to the investors. These funds are mainly used for setting up of new or expanding the business or modernizing the business. It facilitates, or the primary market facilitates, capital formation. Here a comparison of primary market and secondary market is given is divided into two, that is primary market and secondary market. Primary market is a market where the selling of securities by the issuer directly happens, whereas a secondary market, or it is also known as stock exchange, it is a market for existing securities. A comparison of primary market and secondary market is given here. Primary market is a marketplace for new shares, whereas a secondary market is a place where formerly issued securities are traded, or it is a market for the existing securities. Primary market is also known as new issue market, the secondary market as aftermarket. Here we can see in the primary market there will be a direct selling of issues, direct selling of securities to the purchaser. Here in the stock market there will be an indirect selling of securities. The primary market funds are mainly used, or it helps to supply funds to building enterprises and also to the existing companies for expansion and diversification. The funds in the secondary market doesn't provide fundings to the enterprises. In the primary market, the selling of one securities happens only once, but in the secondary market or in the stock exchanges, it happens multiple times. In the primary market, buying and selling is between the company and the investors. In the secondary market, buying and selling is only between investors. In the primary market, gain from the selling of shares goes to the company, whereas in the secondary market it goes to the investors. There, the selling, buying and selling is between the investors, and therefore the gains goes to the investors, whereas in the case of the primary market it goes to the companies. In the primary market, intermediaries are known as underwriters, and in the secondary market they are known as the brokers. In the primary market, the prices are fixed, whereas in the secondary market it fluctuates, depends upon the demand and supply. In the primary market, it is not rooted in any specific sport or geographical location, whereas for secondary market there will be a physical existence. Stock exchanges, we know different types of Bombay stock exchanges, the national stock exchanges, OCTEI, etc. There are a physical, or there exists a physical presence for the secondary market, whereas for the primary market we cannot see such kinds of physical presence or geographical locations. It will be sold by, or here the corresponding company sells securities to the investors. Therefore, there won't be any geographical location or specific spot for the primary market, whereas the dealings in the secondary market is done, or it is through the stock exchanges located in different parts of the world. The differences between the primary market and secondary markets are given here. In the primary market, securities are initially issued in a market which is known as primary market, which is then listed on a recognized stock exchange for trading. This market is known as secondary market. The price in the primary market is fixed, and the price may vary in secondary market depending upon the demand and supply. In the primary market, investors can purchase shares directly from the company. In the secondary market, investors buy and sell stocks and bonds among themselves. In the primary market, security can be sold only once, whereas in the secondary market it can be done an infinite number of times. A primary market is not rooted in a specific place and has no geographical presence, as it has no organizational setup. The secondary market is present physically as a stock exchange which is situated in a particular geographical area. Investment bankers do securities trading in primary market, whereas the brokers act as intermediaries in the secondary market. These are the major difference between the primary market and the secondary market. The same thing is given once again here. Here we discussed about the meaning of primary market, then features of primary market, a comparison of primary market and the secondary market.